Sock printer is a digital printing device specially used for printing patterns on the surface of socks. It uses high-precision inkjet technology to directly print computer-designed patterns, text, or photos on socks without the need for traditional plate-making processes, achieving fast and flexible personalized production. Digital printing uses inkjet technology to reproduce complex patterns, gradient colors, and even photo-level effects, which is suitable for detailed illustrations, logos, or art designs. It supports small batch or even single-piece production, which is suitable for customized patterns, corporate gifts, event promotion, and other needs. It does not require plate-making fees and has flexible costs. The sock printer can print socks made of a variety of materials such as cotton, polyester, wool, bamboo, fiber, nylon, etc. The corresponding ink can be replaced according to different materials, and it has strong adaptability. Our sock printer uses the industry-leading independent PLC intelligent control system with a precisely adjustable laser positioning bracket to ensure that each print can be accurately positioned at the millimeter level. The thickened high-strength steel body structure provides excellent stability for the equipment and can maintain stable printing quality even under long-term continuous operation. The innovative 4-axis rotary printing technology has greatly improved production efficiency, allowing our equipment to always maintain a leading position in technology among similar products. That's all for today's video. If you want to buy a sock printer, look for Colorido.